Winter is coming. But in all seriousness, winter is coming, and it's Tread Nation at FFUN. Tread Nation is our exclusive winter tire program. So what does that mean? It means it's a deal you can't beat. Tires at cost and winter storage, so you don't have to clear out your garage and take space up at home. You can keep them here. We all know what it's like out on the roads the day after the first snowfall. It's absolute mayhem, but it wouldn't be if everyone had winter tires. Most people don't even consider changing their tires until after it snows. But did you know your tires grip the road differently at 7 degrees Celsius? So when the temperature drops into single digits, it's time to switch them over. And with Tread Nation, we make it easier than ever to find the perfect at-cost tires for you. Whether you're a tire guru or a newbie, we can help you with price points to fit any budget and save you time compared to those big box stores. Get your tires and your oil change that you've been holding off on all at once. Fun fact, tires aren't picky. It doesn't matter what make or model your vehicle is, any one of our dealerships will have a tire match for you. So if you have a Toyota, it doesn't mean you have to go to a Toyota dealership to get your tires, unless you want to pay more. It's never been easier, cheaper, or more convenient to ensure peace of mind this winter. Winter tires at cost plus storage. Only at Tread Nation, powered by FFUN. Shop treadnation.ca today.